The split.
The split.
So, okay. So, parang split is like a shared space. So, you have your communal dining. And then we have 4 concepts inside split. So, we have friends and family, Filipino upside down. So, it's more playful. Diba, you've been to friends and family, diba yung original? So, yung medyo traditional. This one is very, very playful naman. We have Saboten. And then we have Chotomate. And then Providor yung cafe side. Maganda naman yung ano natin dito, dessert and coffee program. So that's why it's called split, naka-split concept siya.
Why in BGC?
Why in BGC? Because this is really the heart, no? It's a business district with what do you call this? With lots of residences. So I think we're in the middle. So captured market ang lahat.
Pero sir, as I observe kasi itong area na to, ang bilis din magpalit ng restaurant. How confident are you na mas magki-click to?
That's why ito na yung concept namin. Before it was straight up Japanese, diba? Ngayon, of course, you give the people yung freedom nila to eat in one area. Like for example, you feel gusto mo ng Japanese. Ako naman, mag-office mate ako, gusto ko naman ng Filipino. So, yeah, hindi ka nalilimit. Hindi ka nalilimit dito. And then, next month, I can put another, like a drop dish. Pwede naman ako magawa ng Asian dito. So, yeah, it's not limiting yung namin, yung yung concept. So, I think it's very sustainable.
So, sir, sa yung menu ba natin is similar din sa or may dito lang ma-order?
Yung Filipino dito lang ma-order. Dito lang ma-order. Chotomate, we retained most of the menu that we have. Pero of course, lessened sa pinaka-bestseller. Yes, so tapos Saboten also. We have Saboten. We have actually 4 branches na. One in Serendra, one in Mitsukoshi, pero that's express. SM Aura, and then this one.
Our chef, pa-recommend naman ng at least 2 from each sa menu.
Okay. Sa akin, I like the ukoy. Have you tried? Not yet.
Not yet.
Purot ka doon mamaya. And then the bawang fried chicken. Actually, marami.
Sige, chef. Kung ano yung top recommendation
because I had fun doing this. So, okay, mala sinigang. And then, probably boy bawang fried chicken.
And sa iba, sir?
Saboten, special set. Kasi everything's there. There's koroke, there's ebi, there's loin, and then tenderloin. So, nandun na siya lahat. And then, also the katsudon. And then for Chotomate naman, you have to try the truffled beef gyudon. And then the ano ba yung isa? Dynamite. Dynamite.
Okay. And the
Dessert yung milk tea. This one.
Thai milk.
Thai milk tea.
Tres leches.
Tres leches, yes. So, this one, yeah, kinuha nyo na. In drinks, I like it's giving violet.
So, chef, di ba kasi yung isa is family, and this one, are you expecting ba na to capture the family market din?
Also, kasi this area has been very, very sa mga office workers, corporate. Gusto kong maka-attract dito in this area ng family. Kasi family is always there. Parang this is the business district. Ganon. So, yeah. Sana ma-capture namin lalo ng Saturday, Sunday.
Paano, sir, yung naging process ng ng pagpa-planning ng food?
This was actually a long process. Maraming, what do you call this? Maraming laban-labanan. Should we keep this? Should we retain this? Should we...
Ay, chef. O paano yung naging pagpili ng
menu? Okay, sa friends and family, it's very hard because ang hirap gumawa ng small menu when it comes to Filipino. Kasi we have our friends and family over there. It's medyo malaki menu. Pero matagal na rin kasi kami doon. Kaya nag-pile up na yung menu doon. Nag-add lang kami ng add. So yeah, that was really hard to choose yung mga ano ba yung ilalagay natin. Pero nilagay namin dito yung mga very fun, very new. Yun.
Tapos, paano yung pag-divide nung, kasi di ba, apat ako.
Yeah.
Apat din ba yung chef?
There's 3 divisions inside the kitchen. So, merong Filipino kitchen, merong Japanese, and merong Sabaton. Naglagay lang ako ng, para also, yung very efficient yung chef, we only have a few items sa Filipino, magagawa niya sa line niya yun. So, iti-take in consideration mo rin yung yung flow, traditional flow.
Sir, I noticed meron ding DJ.
Yes,
So, ano pa yung ibang makikita ng
So, we have mga may mga night gimmicks dito. So, we have ano sinabi ko kanina? Game night. Tapos may mga themed nights kami with DJs. Yun.
Yes.
So, it turns into a bar at night also. So, you see it sa morning, it's very bright. See it sa gabi, nag-iiba yung feel.
Okay.
So sabi nga, it's not
day and night talaga.
It's not too conceptual yung place na to. You can just turn it and turn it and turn it.
Ano ba sir operating hours?
Weekday we open at 10. 11 to 10. Pero Thursday 11 to sawa. Pag meron ng pag meron ng mga events, yeah.
Okay.
Nakauwi na ako dito ng 4 AM. Nakauwi na ako ng pa-araw-araw na. Yung time na yun. So yun.
Galing So sir, gaano kahirap mag-concept ng isang restaurant?
You know what? Sometimes it takes months and months and months. Sometimes it takes a day. Sometimes, di ba, creative, when it hits you. Okay. Dire-diretso na siya. Wala, mahirap pag mahirap i-quantify yung tawag ito, ng concept.
Pag concept, sir, ng food, like, nakakailang take?
Filipino sa akin dito, it was fast. It was really fast because that's my thing. Gusto ko yung I have fun creating na mga parang fun dishes. Kaya it was easy for me to do this.
Meron ba ditong dish na originally dito lang talaga or at least concept siya from sa mga dati mo ideas? O all original na siya?
Medyo I can call it all original naman. I can call it all original. I have bagnet pero it's a different kind of bagnet. I have kilawin pero a different kind of kilawin. Pinakbet salad also it's new dito.
Sir, last controversial question.
Yes.
Kaya ba ng Filipino family to have a Noche Buena for 500 pesos?
Hindi. Definitely no.
Okay.
Definitely. To enjoy, no. But, paano ba to? To eat na para maano mo lang yung day na yon, yes. Yun, hindi mo ma-enjoy.
But can you really buy
for Noche Buena?
Noche Buena for 500?
No. Family of what? Ilan?
Sa 500 ba? Ilan ang pwede? For you, sir? For 500?
Isa nga lang, hindi na eh. Isa nga lang, hindi na. Barely. Alam mo yan? Barely.
Pero sabi kasi, for 500, you can have ham,
that's all impossible.
macaron.
That's all impossible. Ham, mga sliced ham. Pag siguro bumili ka ng tingi, dalawa tayo. Dalawang tinging ham. Yung ganon. Kaya yun.
So, chef, ano yung ideal Noche Buena for you?
Of course,
Not necessarily the budgeting, but for you, what's an ideal Noche Buena?
if you're a big family, of course, I have a steakhouse, pero tawag ito,
Not everyone is...
I really like lechon. Lechon. Pero nga, if it's a small family, it's steak. It's a steak. Steak Noche Buena. Diba?
Anong klaseng steak, sir? Anong klaseng steak?
Any like ribeye or a roasting, a small pot roast. Yun. Yun lagi ako. Yeah. I think it's celebratory. Ang steak eh. Diba? It's actually easier to eat steak than lechon eh.
Really?
Because
So,
pagka,
sir, mas mahirap i-prefer ang steak.
no, lechon kasi, sometimes you want it whole eh. Ang pangit yung bibili ka ng per kilo sa family. Minsan yung skin hindi pa crispy. Yun yung ano ko eh. Pero if you're like 10, 12 or more, magle-lechon ako. I like lechon more. Oo.
Thank you, sir.